Russia's Ghent arrived in the Irkutsk region. The head of state visits the aircraft factory. There, Vladimir Putin got acquainted with the production of the first serial medium-haul passenger aircraft MC-21 and left 100 autographs to aircraft designers.
How did you find it?
Interestingly, the question of a shortened version, yes, it is some kind of shortened flight range for us, which will be at least 500. Here it will be 5,000, well, preferably it won't be. Maybe it will be more. Let's work, and it must be shortened. We try the same thing without a car, less, but yes, and so on, but there is no car yet. A car contract has been concluded from this couple. Money has been allocated to lift the plane. 28 hours shorter than one flight. For what? In short, is it even further, and how many passengers will there be? Approximately 100.
40 well, like a super life?
Oh. No, the middle range has higher demand.
The head of state also inspected the modernized training combat fighter Yak-130M. Putin looked into the cockpit of the combat vehicle and talked with the test pilot.
The AK-30 aircraft in our country has proven itself as a training aircraft. Our foreign partners who have this aircraft, they use it as well as combat aircraft for the purpose of combat strikes and combat, and they have received many requests and suggestions that it is time for the aircraft to expand its combat capabilities. And our modernization is just expanding its combat capabilities, which means that the aircraft receives, first of all, a radio action station, which is matched with us, laser-based television systems, which will also be carried out in a container version by the onboard complex. It is also a container. You will fight until the end. The radio communication complex has also been improved to allow the exchange of tactical data with neighboring aircraft and from the ground. Here, it will be possible to quickly transfer everyone to the plane for defense, accordingly expanding the range of its weapons. This is what we have, is significantly expanding the control due to the fact that new operating systems are emerging, and the question of what it can bring with a beard and ammunition is also being considered and worked out. Money in order to promptly send it to the right post office. Next, they themselves need to solve other problems that arise during the fighting. This is the destruction of trial ones.
MS-21 3-10 aircraft from and to created in Russia with all domestic components, full production cycle next year. Such winged vehicles will begin to receive customers, while this is a medium-haul airliner, but work is already underway to create a shortened version, which will significantly increase the range of flight. The task is especially relevant for our vast country. Today, President Vladimir Putin personally checked how the work is going. He flew to Irkutsk and immediately went to the aviation plant. Dmitry Kulko accompanied.
No other party can conduct such a tour of production, show an aircraft assembled entirely from its own components. Engines are made in Perm-Krylov, Ulyanovsk, landing gear in Nizhny Novgorod, and the final assembly of the MC-21 here at the aircraft factory in Irkutsk. The president questions in detail those who have already managed to raise the MC-21 air test pilot Sergei Mikhalyuk put on. Well, also Soviet airliners, and remember well what margin of safety was laid in those cars. I like the assessment of the new Russian aircraft.
Yes, what exactly do you mean?
Well, take a plane.
Yes.
Do you like it? Everything turns out as you want it. You like it, especially the safety features such as the thoughtful layout of the safety eye in the plane, which is a standout aspect of its design.
Among other things, the likelihood of failure when encountering birds is reduced in this engine, instead of the imported engine, which was originally planned to take the Americans covered, now our Perm PD-14.
They are less capricious. Conditions, because there are no such strict restrictions on cooling and heating in terms of temperature conditions.
The aircraft became more fluid in control.
I like the control levers on this motor better. The soup control system here is much softer than directly in the same one, which was imported.
Crafted entirely from scratch, the composite wing is not only incredibly robust, far stronger than steel, but also remarkably lightweight compared to aluminum. This innovative design enabled the engineers to stretch the wings, making them sleeker and more efficient, ultimately enhancing aerodynamics and lowering fuel use. Unlike traditional aircraft such as Boeing or Airbus models, passengers aboard the MC-21 experience greater comfort without the hassle of squeezing through narrow aisles or significant air pressure from altitude shifts thanks to minimized pressure drops. This feat owes much to its robust structural engineering, including uniquely curved fuselage mounts that prevent deformation during flight. Currently, there are 18 such airliners in progressive stages of completion at the Irkutsk Aircraft Plant, which has transitioned to full-scale serial production for this groundbreaking design.
To ensure the line keeps functioning smoothly, you need to understand the details now.
Not subsidizing the percentage of the country.
Even so, this line will remain operational and payments to them will continue naturally.
Further,
The subsequent 18 vehicles are being coordinated for deployment.
And Ulyanovsky is healthy. There are actually all the suppliers who work about 50 in Russia, so everything will be even.
Investigation in.
next year all the paperwork with the board will be completed.
Should we begin transitioning from transferring one car to 8 cars at a time? Aeroflot will follow next year, leaving 28 years on the contract timeline. An additional 10 vehicles are planned alongside the 18 cars that Aeroflot has already committed to.
Western sanctions not only did not knock us out of the rut, but gave a powerful impetus. Director of the Irkutsk Aircraft Plant, Andrei Soinov, emphasizes the scale. Dozens of enterprises across the country have secured contracts.
300 will be both worthy of earning and far away, for now, at stage 1. But we also plan to increase tests as tests are carried out.
The exact version of the MC-21 210 Airliner is being developed in parallel with the reduced fuselage and the same power plant. This modification should receive an increased flight range with a smaller capacity.
Why is she considered a much shorter wife?
Looking for it further.
And how long will there be?
140 is quite substantial, perhaps like a super middle range level.
The middle.
The one in demand will definitely be ours. We will promptly shut it down without hesitation.
In flight test with the aircraft C-21 in the basic version has already completed flights for a distance of over 3,800 kilogram meters with maximum load.
The abbreviated version will indeed be compressed with a pallet, but what exactly will it become?
Still 5,000.
Here you'll need at least 5, probably even more, because it's insufficient otherwise.
And it
should become shorter. We endure the same challenges if the machines were scaled down further.
Here they live in Irkutsk, collect and training combat Yak-130. This aircraft managed to set world records in its class for speed and altitude.
The aircraft of our nation has established itself as an effective training platform. Not only have our international partners purchased and employed it for combat training, but they have also submitted numerous proposals. It's evident that it may be time to expand its capabilities, potentially venturing into enhanced combat functionality as necessitated by demand.
During the modernization of the Yak-130 aircraft, half of the equipment was replaced. Now there is a new aiming complex, and with the help of a thermal laser camera, the pilot can easily detect an enemy drone even in the dead of night or in thick fog in the bow. But the new radar station is now Yak-130M in the form of drones for tens of kilometers on the wings of the airborne defense complex. Allowances enemy anti-aircraft missile. The system itself, without the participation of the pilot, puts interference, shoots off false targets, and to defeat drones, good old rapid-fire aircraft guns.
They showed themselves what with the drone they are the most effective, and that is relatively inexpensive, will cost compared to missiles that air-to-air combat them.
But that's not the whole arsenal.
And the question is also being considered and worked out that he can carry orders for himself with Borozhe. That is, in order to deliver quickly, and then they themselves need to solve other problems that seem to be related to hostilities. This is the destruction and...
That is, sea drones will also be targeted. The entire test cycle of the upgraded Yak-130M is planned to be completed by 2028.
This was our first attempt, a significant milestone that marks the understanding gained during the initial phase.
To commemorate, Vladimir Putin signed autographs on photos featuring the innovations at the Irkutsk aircraft plant, such as the Yak-130M combat aircraft and the MS-21 passenger liner. Dmitry Kulkov, Alexei Labushkin, Alexander Travkin, Ekaterina Yarovenko and Alexei Simonov, Channel 1.
Vladimir Putin today, during a working trip, visited the Irkutsk Aviation Plant of PJSC Yakovlev. The president was shown a new domestic medium-haul aircraft, MS-21 310.
What are the most popular types of liners? Being in an aircraft fleet that's independent of foreign supplier sanctions. The new aircraft uses entirely Russian-made engines and electronics.
How is work going on the passenger MMS-21 and how are combat aircraft being modernized? Edmund Zhelbunov recognized. Countries that can assemble their own aircraft from scratch, from the engine to the wingtip and dashboard, can be counted on the fingers of one hand. Russia is still one of them, and this is the future of our civil aviation medium-haul airliner MS-21 310. Here it is no longer a test, but the first serial sample, each element of which. The brand is made in Russia, and in total 18 aircraft are now assembled at this enterprise. They are all at different stages of readiness. And according to the director of the plant, the rate of production can be increased if there are orders. Soon the aircraft series MC will continue the superjet started, that is, they will replace imported Boeings and Airbuses. How is the preparation for Flight 1 going? Testers and Vladimir Putin personally checked with the passengers. At the Irkutsk aircraft factory, the president was shown a workshop where new ones are assembled.
Models for airframe assemblies on the installation of System 6 boards, on the assembly of sources, biolibraries, fuselage, and here are two about the extreme ones that we saw on the assembly eye.
Why hasn't the production line been halted? Now it is necessary, if not subsidizing 20 years ago and the cost, and then this line will continue to work. They correspond, of course, and will be paid further after 18 minutes. And Ulyanovsk's scoop forgot.
The Supreme Commander-in-Chief inspected the modernized combat training aircraft Yak-130M, which was also assembled at the Irkutsk plant. However, unlike the MC-21, this is only a prototype. Before going into series, it is not less than a year, but the MC in the sky since 2017, 3 years later. Last year, Russian equipment was tested on board. In total, 80 foreign systems were replaced, so that the aircraft does not depend on sanctions restrictions, so that all that remains is to complete flight tests. According to plans, this is the spring of next year, then it is mandatory. Ification and the first batch of finished liners can be transferred to the customer.
Behind my back, this is already the second serial aircraft of a high degree of readiness, and literally in August this aircraft goes to the stage of flight tests.
How much is it import substituted?
These serialized planes remain 100% imported as of now.
And we with the 21,310 aircraft of the new generation in the full sense of the word. 1/3 of the materials are lightweight composites, improved engine aerodynamics with reduced fuel consumption. A new level of comfort will also have 211 passengers. So much will fit on board, each of them has expanded personal space. Moreover, the aisles between the seats, luggage racks and portholes have been increased. True, for now you can only see what the toilet room looks like. The cabin will be equipped after all the tests, but now you can study what is advantageous about the cabin.
When did you enter this one once? Odin immediately rolled his eyes. This is the space. That is, if you really are, we feel here as if we were in a normal, full-fledged, one might say, apartment, and we can sit freely, and the two pilots don't interfere with each other. Also the view, that is the most gorgeous view through the glass, that is, you sit as if on a balcony and see everything in front of you.
The control system also stands out against the background of analogs. And it's not only in 5 liquid crystal displays that the pilot can customize for himself.
The plane is so comfortable in control, almost like a fighter, that is. There is something to compare with, but he flies himself, he just needs a little help, he forgives mistakes. Its technical equipment allows it to always tell the pilot if you made a mistake somewhere, didn't do something, it will always provide a video message on the monitors that is his safety.
Vladimir Putin is closely following every stage on the way to serial production of M-21 exactly a month ago. Assessing the developments of the domestic aviation industry in Zhukovsky near Moscow, the president even sat at the helm, and a little later at an aviation meeting he recalled that transport links and connectivity of regions directly depend on the state of the entire industry. But the president asked engineers to speed up, but not to the detriment of quality, so as not to delay the production of the long-awaited aircraft. In the future, the Irkutsk aircraft plant plans to produce 36 aircraft per year, that is 3 aircraft per month. By the way, there is already a demand for such an offer. The first 18 serial planes have been booked by Aeroflot and in the near future with the airline. The company plans to sign a contract for another 90 domestic airliners. It turns out that this plant will be provided with orders for several years to come. Edmond Zelnov TV company NTV, Irkutsk.